Samsung is about to break the foldable market wide open once again. Just as we received our first official look at Samsung's first tri-folding smartphone, new leaks suggest something even greater. The Galaxy is where you fold 8. And if these reports are accurate, this might be the foldable phone power users have been hoping for. The next version of Samsung's foldable range is already in the works, and this time it's all about addressing what fans really desired. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is unquestionably sleek, powerful, and elegant, yet there are two areas where it falls short: battery life and camera performance. But it appears that Samsung received the feedback loud and clear. According to a fresh tip from Ideal's website, the Galaxy Z Fold May 8th include a large 5,000 mAh battery, a significant boost from the 4,400 mAh found in the Fold 7. This is more than just a minor bump. It's a change that might finally transform the Fold 8 into an all-day productivity powerhouse with no compromises. But here's where it gets really futuristic. Samsung is apparently developing laser-drilled metal plate technology for the Fold 8's display. This innovation attempts to eradicate the crease entirely, providing an almost smooth screen experience. Imagine opening your Fold and not seeing the traditional line down the middle, but instead a smooth, immersive canvas ready for work, creation, or leisure. And if you've been missing the S Pen, there's some good news. After Samsung removed stylus support from the Fold 7 to make it thinner, leaks now indicate that the Fold May 8th reintroduced the S Pen, possibly in a revamped version that fits the narrower body perfectly. That means your Fold might finally become a real note-class tablet, combining portability and productivity like never before. However, Samsung is not doing this in isolation. Industry insiders said that the corporation is well aware of Apple's rising ambitions in the foldable space. With Apple's first foldable iPhone due in 2026, which will use similar display technology, Samsung aims to stay ahead by refining the Fold 8. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be more than just an annual improvement. It is Samsung's statement to the world. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.